Welcome to the International Workshop on Neonatology and Pediatrics. Welcome to Sardinia, welcome to Cagliari. We are very happy and proud to guest you. During these years, we had the participation of more than 12,000 people, 200 top-level speakers coming from 60 countries. The title of this meeting is Children's Health, Messages from the Future. I would like to quote a famous futurologist. I do not predict the future, but I observe it, because the future is here. During 4 days, we'll have 10 meetings covering all the topics of neonatology and pediatrics. A special session of this meeting is dedicated to the Balkan world, in particular to Balkan neonatology, and we have the participation of Greek and Albanian friends and colleagues. Like the other years, we published the proceedings of this event in the Journal of Pediatric and Neonatal Individualized Medicine, awarded by Italian Ministry of Culture as Journal of Elevated Cultural Value. Welcome to our International Workshop on Neonatology and Pediatrics. Enjoy Sardinia, enjoy Cagliari. Buon congresso.